draw the graph of x minus 3 plus 4. I have told you already how to do it. So x minus 3 plus x plus 4. I will take minus 4 here from x plus 4. From x minus 3 I will take 3 here. And I am going to draw a graph of this, which is by putting x equal to minus 4 I will get 7. So here it will be 7. So for all the values it will be 7. And after that the graph will be going like this. This is the graph of y is equal to mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 4. And I am going to draw the graph of the right hand side now, which is y equal to 7. Let me use some other ring, this one, or maybe this one. Y equal to 7 is like this. These are y equal to 7, and I can easily understand that they are intersecting at infinite number of points, and they are intersecting between this value and this value, all points. So they are equal for all these values. Therefore our answer is x belongs to minus 4 comma 3 close bracket. Could have been solved by using cases. Now question number 7. This is a question of modulus. Let us solve it by a direct property. First of all I have to remove the outside mod, so that will give us minus 4 less than or equal to mod of x minus 1 plus 2 less than or equal to 4. I have to get rid of 2 from here, so I'll take it this side. So minus 6 less equal to x minus 1 whole mod less equal to 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. Now mod of x minus 6 greater than minus 6, of course that is always true, so I will take this as minus 2 less equal to mod of less equal to x minus 1 less equal to 2. Okay, minus 6 I have ignored because it is always greater or equal to minus 6. So after that, if I take minus 1, if I bring it to both sides, so it will become minus 1 less equal to x less equal to 3. So minus 1 to 3 is the answer, this one. Question number 8. Okay, you know that there is a property I have told you in the class, that is, if I have a plus b whole mod is equal to mod a plus mod b, then this implies a and b are of same sign, that means a into b is greater than 0, or maybe any one of them is 0, so it can be equal to 0 also. This is the idea on which you are going to work. So here, if you look at the right hand side expression, it is nothing but x by x plus x by x minus 1 whole mod. Okay, so which is nothing but, look at the left hand side, it is mod x plus mod of x minus 1 and this. So it is, this above property is applicable here, and I can eventually write that x into x by x minus 1 is greater or equal to 0, which can be solved by using Webber curve method, and I will plot 0 and 1 here, and we have x squared, so x power 0, so it is coming like this and this. It will not cross from 0 because there is a power 2 for x. It is negative, negative, positive. I have to find when it is positive, so this part is positive, as well as it is equal to 0 for x equal to 0. So I will take the correct option as of course I cannot take x equal to 1, so it should be 1 should be open, then infinity, but I can take 0, so including 0 like this. Therefore option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now case 1, if our x minus 2 is negative, if our x minus 2 is negative, right hand side is negative, then square root of anything is always positive. So it must be greater than any negative value. Therefore, in that case, we will just take x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. As long as this is true, root over of that will be always greater than x minus 2 because it is negative. Now it means I have already got it, x less than or equal to 1 or x greater than or equal to 2. But the assumption is, this is our assumption is x less than 2. So we have to take the common part here, and if I take the common part, it will look like this: 1 and 2 less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 2, and less than 2. So we are only getting this in this case. Now in case 2, if x minus 1 is greater, x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater or equal to 2. That is our assumption. Then again our solution that I have got there is x square minus 3x plus 2 x square minus 3x plus 2 by squaring both sides is greater than x minus 2 whole square, which is giving us a solution that we have already got as x greater than 2. So if I combine these two now, our answer will be x greater than 2 in this case. Now this case 1 and case 2 if I combine, let's take this case 1 and case 2. Case 1 means less than or equal to 1. 1 including 1 this side. And case 2 is excluding 2 this side. So this is our solution. Which is same as option D. All real number except 1, 2, 1 open, 2 closed. Now question number 10. We know that mod of y equal to minus y if y is less than 0. That is the property that we know. Now here you can see that it is exactly same property for this question. It is mod of something equal to minus of that. So if I solve that, it is nothing but whatever is there inside mod, that should be negative. That is possible only if that thing is negative. So x square minus 6x plus 8 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3 should be less than 0, which is nothing but, if I factorize it, it is x minus 2 into x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 3 less than 0, and which can be solved by using Webby curve method. So I'll plot 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be like this. So you can see that 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 is our answer. There is no equality, so all are open. So that's an easy one, but you have to understand that idea how it is coming. You can understand by applying a direct property. It will be log of 15 to the base 3, which is log of 3 into 5 to the base 3, which is nothing but log 3 to the base 3, which is 1, plus log 5 to the base 3. Now we know that log of 3 to the base 3, it will be less than log of 5 to the base 3, and that will be less than log of 9 to the base 3. Okay, so that you can understand how it is coming. Now simply this means 1 less than log 5 to the base 3 less than 2. What does it imply? It implies that log 5 to the base 3 value is lying between 1 and 2. So it will be 1 point something. So what is the integral part of that? That is 1. So this number if I only want to find the integral part will be 2, because there is a 1 added here. There is a 1 added, 1 plus log 5 to the base 3. So integral part will be 2. That is the answer. Okay, so it is only about that thing, nothing else. It is very easy. Now let us go to the question number 12. Looks very, very difficult, but I think it is easy. First term can be written as 5 to the power, okay, log half to the base 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 5 power minus 1. So that minus will go before log, and half means 2 power minus 1. I will show it here. Log of 2 power minus 1, 5 power minus 1. Both this power minus 1, both this 5 power minus 1 will go to the power of, it will go to this way here. This will also go here. So minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus 1. So finally it is nothing but 5 to the power log 2 to the base 5, which is nothing but 2. Okay, in the same way, the second term is root 2 base. So base is root 2, that is 2 to the power half. Okay, that 2 to the power half, that will go. So second term is 2 to the power half, so that will be 2 here, log of 4 by root 7 plus root 3 plus log base half. So this base half is 2 power minus 1 again. So that will be minus, that will be minus log of 1 by 10 plus 2 root 21 base 2. Now this 2 that I have got here before log will go to the power of this thing, this whole thing. Okay, therefore we will get that as log of, okay, their base was 2 in this case, log of 16 by root 7 plus root 3, root 7 plus root 3 whole square, and here it is plus, base is 2, log of, minus is there, I will take minus to the power, so it will be 10 plus 2 root 21 to the base 2. This minus sign before log, I am taking that as minus 1, and it is going to the power of that term. So it is like this. Now these two base is same, I can add them, and there is a multiplication property that will give us log of, now base is 2, log of 16 by root 7 plus root 3 whole square is 7 plus 3 plus 2 root 21 and into 10 plus 2 root 21. So these two, if we multiply, this is cancelled. This is log of 16 to the base 2, which is 4. Already from the first term we have got 2. We have got a 2 here from the first term. And we have got a 4 here. So after adding them I will get 6. So our correct answer here is 6.